Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, June the 27th. I got 10:46 in the morning, 74 degrees. This is that place on the corner of Olive and Jenny Lynn here. Nothing's going on this morning. They still got to backfill this. And the old McKeesport appliance parts and the Sweet Club is pretty well backfilled over there. I'll try to come down that way to get a look at it too. But I've been trying to keep up with what they're tearing down. But there's nothing at all going on here. Yes, I want to go up Shaw, so I'm going to cheat and go down here if I can. Just to get a view of it. Looks like they got some fill there ready to put in. Yeah, they got piles of fill there ready to go back in the holes. But this is where McKeesport Appliance Parts was. That old building that was here in the 1800s was a boarding house. And a little over further was the Sweet Club. And that's Shaw Avenue ahead of us there. I'll head up Shaw to see what's happened up on Ridge. And then I'll head into town to see what might be happening down on the corner of 5th and Sheridan, or Lyle and Sheridan, whatever you want me to call it. This is Grant Street here. I'll have to just take a trip up. Yeah, I did take a trip up that comes out on Spring Street, if I'm right. And I'm holding everybody up, so I pulled over. I said that poor old building needs torn down. This one needs to go too, unfortunately, but it does. Look how grown up that is. I love the roads. They should call this Pothole Central. Okay. And it looks like they're totally done here too. So it does. I want to swing through that alley and actually come out there again. But man, look at that depth in the road. Wow. And they're telling me that they're going to start tearing these homes right to my right here on Corson. I don't see anything going on there today. This is Union we're going to make a left on. I don't know if they're working over there on Ridge yet or not. Really can't see anything. Do y'all remember when that was a school? I do. And this alley is called Enterprise. My goodness. Little Star Trek reference, Enterprise. Oh yeah, they're doing something. Track goes running. Getting her all backfilled. That'll just move across the street and do this one. Make it easier on the people ripping them down. That way they're not moving far. And just keep on going through all the bad ones. Crossing Enterprise again. Captain Kirk's place. Yeah, but see, Captain Kirk didn't have a dog. As I recall, that was Captain Archer who had the dog. And again, this is Union. But there's nothing going on up there. I figured this might have been a week that it started on those, but not yet at least. Where the fire trucks running, I hear them. Yeah. And going around the sewer lids, I am purposely, because how low my car sits. As I know I've made comments on many times, here we are in downtown McKeesport. There ain't a soul that way, a soul that way. There's people here, but they're all here at the old YMCA. There's no businesses that come down. These are the children either out of the daycare or the school that's there. I assume it's a daycare. But beyond that, there's some cars coming through town. No people. Let's see what's going on up here. pretty much got the pile of debris going. I don't know of anything else in town in McKeesport getting ripped down at the moment. And that's what my latest videos are, what's going on here, what all's being demolished. I'll get over to this side of it, and if nothing's going on, it'll be the end of the video. No, nothing at all is going on. Come on, bus. This one amazes me that it's been so long on this one. Those other guys that working up on Ridge there, you know, in the Swede Club and McKeesport Appliance Parts, and that, I guess it was a church over on Olive, they move fast. You know, they're down and backfilling, and this one still has a lot of cleanup to do. But I don't want to make this any longer because it's just boring. There's nothing going on. But I do thank y'all for watching. I thank everybody for their comments. But you all take care. And we'll see ya.